ASNT AE Level 3 Refresher Course Online Complete Course Overview by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. If you are an experienced acoustic emission testing professional preparing to renew, revalidate or strengthen your ASNT AE Level 3 knowledge, then this course is specifically designed for you. Today we will introduce our ASNT Acoustic Emission Level 3 Refresher course. Explain its objectives, syllabus, key topics, reference books and how this program can help you achieve success in your ASNT Level 3 journey. Whether you are an AE level 2 professional aspiring to move to level 3 or an existing level 3 certificate holder seeking technical refreshment, this course provides structured, code-based and exam-oriented learning delivered completely online. What is acoustic emission testing? Acoustic emission testing, commonly referred to as AE testing, is one of the most advanced non-destructive testing methods used for detecting stress waves generated by crack growth, deformation or structural changes within materials. Unlike conventional NDT methods, AE testing detects active discontinuities while components are under load, making it highly valuable for condition monitoring and integrity assessment. AE testing is widely applied in pressure vessels, storage tanks, pipelines, composite structures, aerospace components, bridges and civil structures, petrochemical facilities, power plants. Because of its complexity and critical applications, AE Level 3 professionals are expected to possess advanced technical knowledge, engineering judgment, and leadership capabilities. About the ASNT AE Level 3 Refresher course. The ASNT AE Level 3 Refresher course by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited has been specially designed to refresh essential concepts and reinforce Level 3 responsibilities according to ASNT guidelines. The program is intended to strengthen theoretical fundamentals, refresh practical knowledge, review codes and standards, improve interpretation skills, enhance technical judgment, increase confidence for ASNT Level 3 examinations. The course combines theory, industrial experience and code-based learning to provide complete revision and exam preparation. Training objectives. The primary objective of this course is to provide professionals with a systematic review of acoustic emission technology and its industrial applications. Participants will strengthen their understanding of principles and theory, instrumentation and equipment, signal processing techniques, source location methods, data interpretation and evaluation, procedure preparation and approval, industrial applications, codes, standards and recommended practices. Ultimately, the course aims to support candidates in performing effectively as competent and responsible ASNT AE Level 3 professionals. Ultimately, the course aims to support candidates in performing effectively as a competent and responsible ASNT AE Level 3 professionals. Now, Model 1 Principles and Theory. Topics include stress wave generation mechanisms, signal formation and propagation, detection principles, signal conditioning concepts, signal processing fundamentals. Participants will understand how acoustic emissions originate and how signals are transmitted and detected by sensors. Model 2 Instrumentation and Equipment. Topics covered include acoustic emission test systems, sensors and cables, signal conditioning units, data execution systems, equipment selection criteria, system setup procedures, calibration requirements. Understanding equipment performance is essential for reliable testing and quality data acquisition. Model 3 Test Techniques. This model covers acoustic emission test techniques, loading procedures, source location techniques, accessory testing methods, special test procedures, advanced signal processing techniques. Participants will understand how loading conditions influence acoustic activity and how source location methods are used to identify defects. Model 4 Interpretation and Evaluation. Interpretation and evaluation are among the most critical responsibilities of an AE Level 3 professional. Topics include data display methods, signal characteristics, noise source identification, noise control methods, data interpretation, data evaluation, reporting requirements, Special emphasis is placed on distinguishing genuine emissions from background noise and false indications. Module 5, Procedures and Documentation. Participants will learn standardized procedures, codified procedures, user-developed procedures, procedure preparation, procedure review and approval, compliance with applicable standards and recommended practices. This knowledge is essential for ensuring quality and consistency in acoustic emission examinations. Module 6, Industrial Applications. Acoustic emission testing finds extensive applications in pressure vessels, storage tanks, pipelines, structural components, composite materials, process equipment, engineering structures. Candidates will understand how AE technology supports integrity assessment and condition monitoring. Codes and standards. One of the major strengths of this course is code and standard based learning. Participants review guide type standards, glossaries and calibration standards, standardized AE procedures, user developed procedures, professional societies active in acoustic emission testing. Understanding codes and standards enables level 3 professionals to perform inspections according to internationally accepted requirements. Now, complete ASNT AE Level 3 syllabus. The ASNT AE Level 3 examination consists of 135 questions with a duration of 4 hours. Topics include instrumentation and signal processing, cables, signal conditioning, signal detection, signal processing, source location, techniques, equipment and test systems. Here, acoustic emission test systems, accessory techniques, advanced signal processing, equipment selection, calibration and setup, test technique, acoustic emission techniques, loading procedures, special procedures, interpretation and evaluation, data display, noise identification, noise prevention, data interpretation, data evaluation, reports. Now codes and standards, guide type standards, standardized procedures, user developed procedures, societies active in AE. Now applications, industrial applications of acoustic emission testing. Now reference books. This course is based on internationally recognized references. Non-destructive Testing Handbook Volume 6, Acoustic Emission Testing, 3rd edition. ASNT Questions and Answer Book, Acoustic Emission Testing, 3rd edition. ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code, Section 5, Non-Destructive Examination, 2025 edition. These references provide strong technical foundations and support examination preparation. Now, who should attend? This course is ideal for aspiring ASNT AE Level 3 candidates, NDT managers, engineers, supervisors, inspectors, technicians, QA/QC professionals, welding professionals, metallurgists, mechanical engineers, production engineers, asset integrity engineers, RBI inspectors. No prerequisite is required to attend the course. However, ASNT examination eligibility requirements are based upon education and experience criteria published by ASNT. Now, why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? At URGS International, we focus on industry experience instructors, code and standard-based learning, structured revision approach, practical industrial examples, interactive online sessions, comprehensive study guidance, doubt clarification support, exam-oriented discussions. Our objective is to help professionals strengthen their technical competence and achieve success in ASNT Level 3 certification. Now, course schedule. Course date 2nd July to 28th July 2026. Same training dates every month. Duration 60 hours. Mode online through Zoom. Class timings 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. IST. Monthly batches are conducted on the same schedule, providing flexibility for working professionals worldwide. At last, conclusion, acoustic emission testing is one of the most sophisticated and valuable NDT methods used for condition monitoring and integrity assessment. A thorough understanding of principles, instrumentation, signal processing, interpretation, procedures, and codes is essential for every ASNT AE Level 3 professional. The ASNT AE Level 3 refresher course from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides the knowledge, confidence, and technical foundation required to excel in examinations and perform Level 3 responsibilities with competence and professionalism. If you are ready to advance your career and strengthen your expertise in acoustic emission testing, we invite you to join our upcoming batch. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more professional NET training and certification videos from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you.